Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. So if you're new to this channel, hello, my name is Madhushri and I would really appreciate if you take a moment and subscribe to my channel below. So in this video, I will be talking about the newest launch by Bella Vita fragrance, that is Blush. This is the fragrance I am talking about. It got launched recently, though 3 हफ्ते हुआ होगा. They have also launched a lot more fragrances apart from this, but I am doing the review on this particular fragrance. Why? Because let me tell you, I already have a lot of fragrances from Bella Vita. I have their fragrance mist, I have Bella Vita Senorita, I have Date, I have the perfumes Bella Vita's Senorita, Date, Honey, Sky, and there was one more that I had, yeah, Rose and Glam. I have all these perfumes you can see in my collection over there. So yeah, we're gonna do my perfume collection very soon, but I am aiming for a particular number of subscribers. After I hit that, I'm gonna do my perfume collection ka video. So before that, so today's video is also gonna be about me reviewing my experience with Bella Vita's newest launch, that is Blush. Let me tell you something behind this particular purchase. I was at the mall and ground floor mein Bella Vita, they had their showroom, so they called me for testing and I said I already have their fragrances. So there was one more fragrance called Night Fever. I'll leave the picture somewhere around here, you can check it out. मुझे personally वो अच्छा नहीं लगा, but then I smelled this one and yes, I fell in love with it. I was like, I am taking offer भी चल रहा था, buy 2 get 2 free, but since I had to purchase only one, I had to pay the full amount. It's 900 rupees. एंड यू नो वॉट, अमेजोन, नायका में और बेला वीटा के ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट में ऑफर्स चलते रहेंगे एंड स्पेशली अमेजोन एंड नायका, स्पेशली नायका में यू कैन गेट दिस फॉर हाफ द प्राइस एंड राइट नाउ पिंक फ्राइडे सेल इज गोइंग ऑन, सो yes, do check it out. You might get a discount on this particular fragrance. So yes, without any further delay, let's get into the video. So yeah, this was something that was done by my bunny rabbit. They have nails, sharp nails, so yeah, I'm just opening it. So yeah, okay, first of all let me read out the notes. यहाँ पे it has notes of, okay, यहाँ पे सिर्फ musk, vanilla and violet लिखा हुआ है, but apart from these notes it also has more notes. So yeah, they have vanilla, they have moss, they have tropical red fruits, and that's it. कुछ ज़्यादा डिटेल में लिखा नहीं है ऑन देयर ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट. आई रियली वॉन्टेड टू नो वॉट द नोट्स आर, बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली मुझे पता नहीं चला. इवन वेन आई आस्क्ड द गर्ल ओवर देयर कि वॉट आर द नोट्स, so she was really clueless. She did not have idea about the notes. So let me tell you in my words what I felt about this perfume. Yeah, look at it. This is how the perfume bottle looks like. This fragrance is mind-blowing. You know what? I can literally compare my Bella Vita fragrances with the Zara perfumes that I have with me, because takkar hai, like they can literally compete against one another. This is so good. This kind of reminds me of Go Fruity from Zara ka perfume. It's not the exact dupe. It's very similar to it, but exact dupe nahi hai. I'll leave a photo यहाँ पे कहीं so you can check it out. It's not the same, but I can say that if you like this particular perfume over here, you will like that also. So yes, when you smell this, you will get that Johnson's Baby vibe. Like it, you will feel like this is a perfume that's meant for kids, because it's a very mild, soft, clean girl kind of a scent. Because you know what, I don't know what exactly clean girl means. Like kabhi kabhi mujhe lagta hai I know the meaning, but kabhi kabhi it does not make any sense to me. But it means like you feel very fresh, you feel very, you know, sanitized once you apply this, because it's that kind of a smell. Because you know, when I smelled it for the first time, I was literally like, it's such a beautiful scent, especially like if you're working, this kind of smell needs to be applied, because it's not that strong, it's not that overpowering, it's mild. and I don't know about how long it lasts because I have opened it in front of you, but in their official website as well as the people whom I encountered over there said कि 10 घंटे तक मैम ये चलेगा. So let's see, because you know what, I believe her because the rest of the Bella Vita perfumes that I own are super long lasting, at least 10 to 12 hours आराम से they last. So all the perfumes, ऐसा नहीं कि ये ऐसा है वो ऐसा है, सारे perfumes, you talk about Senorita, you talk about Date, Honey, and then what's that name, Honey Ode, and that Sky, Glam, Rose, all these fragrances from Bella Vita, they smell amazing, they are long lasting, and you know, they're just out of the world. I really love essay inventions. It's something which stands alone, and yeah, that's what I want to say about this particular perfume. Like, the name is also like blush because it's so like a girly scent. It's sweet. It's not exactly sweet. It's, you know what, when I read the notes to you guys, I thought कि मुझे vanilla का note, मुझे किसी का भी notes नहीं मिल रहा except musk, and I don't know the notes of musk are that strong इस particular fragrance में, but it's a very fruity fragrance because it starts on a very fruity note because it's very soft. As I said, it's very, you know, clean. It's a fresh scent. It's not aquatic in nature, but फिर भी you can apply it once you come from gym or swimming pool because it's that kind of a scent. Like, you know what, इसका जो smell है, it's very similar to Pond's का powder, you know, the pink one. It is similar to that scent. Now, if you like that scent, if you like Go Fruity from Zara, I'm sure you're gonna love this scent also because it's a really pretty scent. Vanilla का smell मुझे बिल्कुल नहीं आ रहा है. Even in the dry down, I could not smell vanilla. And moss, according to me, is a algae or a fungus, something that I read जब मैं science पढ़ रही थी long time ago. But I'm not getting that smell. I've never smelled moss. So yeah, this is really good, and you're getting 100 ml. Quantity भी अच्छा है. Price wise also, as I said, you'll get discounts, sale, offers तो चलते ही रहते हैं. So yes, you can purchase this particular perfume. Iska body mist be very soon. They said they're gonna launch. I don't know when, but very soon. So yeah, वो लोग ना, they said that they have a strategy. If their perfume is going good, बहुत अच्छा, like box office hit करने वाला होता है, then only they launch, you know, body mist. जैसे कि they have Rose का है, Glam का है, then they have, you know, Bella Vita ka Senorita, Date, but they do not have a body mist for Honey Ode. I like that perfume very much, but utna, like, it was not liked by people utna zyada, so they did not release a body mist of that particular perfume. So yeah, I'm so sorry, in this video I could not share what notes I am getting, but my review for you guys is, it's really a fresh, fruity, very bubbly, clean girl aesthetic perfume. I don't even know that our perfume supposed to be aesthetic, but for me, I'm giving it, yes, it's a very good. And you can also do one thing, you can spray this particular perfume on your pillows. क्योंकि कभी कभार कुछ perfumes रहता है, if you spray it on your pillow, it smells so strong, पूरा नींद खराब हो जाती है. Even though the perfume smells really good on your body, but सोने के time it might affect your nose, your sleep cycle or something like that. But this is kind of a fragrance, एक ही spray, not the entire bed, only the pillow, one spray, and you're good to go because it's a very soothing and a calming perfume. So yeah, you can check it out, you will like it, especially those जिनको, you know, sweet, soft, इतना ज़्यादा headache देने वाले perfumes जिनको पसंद नहीं, you can definitely go for this because it's a really good soft girl era वाला perfume है. You know, this is something that Queen Elizabeth would put. Not that strong, not that, you know, triggering wala. Very sweet, very elegant, very decent. So yeah, that's all for this video. I will leave the link in my description box so you can check it out. अगर आपको ये video अच्छा लगा, then I would really appreciate if you like, share and comment about your thoughts on this particular perfume, and let me know if you have already used this perfume. आपका views क्या था about this perfume, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, stay happy, stay blessed, stay safe.